Alright guys, I'm going to try to do another short video explaining how to remove the gas tank, and then I'm going to do another follow-up video on finishing up the rear trailing arm pockets and painting and seam sealing and then undercoating. But anyways, this is your look from underneath the car. So the things you really got to watch out for are this hose is accessible from that panel under the rear seats. This is the driver's side. So you undo this and there's an electrical connector that's already up in the cabin. Then you have this hose here, which goes into a port on the gas tank, but you can't reach it. You can't reach it from up top. You have to drop the gas tank a couple inches. Then you have the hole on the passenger side. So you have this hose that you can reach from inside the car. And then you have those two hoses, 1 and 2, that you need to drop the gas tank 4 inches for before you can reach those. So then the gas tank is held on by 1 strap on this side and 2 straps on the driver's side, and you got this fuel filler hose to also deal with. Anyway, let's take a look on the tank itself to give you a better explanation. Okay, so here you go. This is the tank itself. So this would be how it would be positioned underneath the car if you were facing the rear seats. So this would be your passenger side and this would be your driver's side. Anyways, so let's look at the passenger side first. You have 1 port here that you can undo via the access panel, and then 2 electrical clips. Then you have the driver's side, 1 electrical connector, and another port. So now that's all you can do from up top. You want to go back underneath, unclip all the hoses from here, and then start undoing your strap and start dropping this a couple inches. You'll find that there's more hoses here in these clips that you want to undo, which you can do once you have a couple inches of space from up top. And then you want to undo this guy. You have to clip the oetiker clamp and then pull off the hose. You can do it from up top or underneath, but whichever one works. It's going to be difficult because the hoses are very old and kind of welded onto that nipple. Also, this side too. You have 2 more. We reached from underneath to do this, and yeah, so clip off the oetiker clamps and pull these 2 off. Then at that point, assuming that your gas tank is empty, it's really easy to drop, and it's very light. This with like basically just like a 1/4 inch of fuel on the very bottom weighs less than 20 pounds. So there is your quick overview on how to remove an E36 gas tank. I know it's not a step-by-step, but that's just because there's not many steps to it, and you're really spending a lot of time on these hoses and that hose that you can't get from up top, and you need to drop the tank just a little bit. So thank you guys for watching.